specifically, let's think about the sales team for a second. How have you seen the training, the warrior selling training impact the sales team and make a difference for them?
Well, in my time with the company, we've progressed steadily in an upward trajectory. We were wrestling and getting in our own way for a long period of time. We were challenged on the sales front, quite specifically from a leadership standpoint and an alignment standpoint. And when we started working with FPG, right at the start with the concept of performance equals our knowledge minus our leashes, and we set some standards. I view it as almost setting the ideal state for our team on where we wanted to get to, and we started working towards it. So, with the creation of the content from FPG, which we view to be best in class, we started to see little wins, and we investigated the core motivation with our team themselves and what it means to be a great salesperson and why they do what they do and why they love it and how to use that and relate it into the customer. And what we started getting, is moving from that lack of alignment and clarity and leadership towards, I'd see a third of our team start to use the tools and find success at different rates. And we got a bunch of little wins. Initially, it was great alignment that we got from the team with drive and purpose. And when they started seeing leashes fall off and performance improve, we had great results from leveraging the stuff that we got from FPG.